All right, the second way of doing this, the vertex formula, to find the vertex and standard form of this. So again, we still want the standard form. Remember the standard form, since x is squared, y isn't. We're looking for, in this case, f of x equals a parentheses x minus h squared plus k. Okay, the way the vertex formula works is this. We find out what the vertex is, and we substitute the vertex in for h and k. We find out what a is, we substitute in that, and then we've got our standard form. All right, no completing the square necessary. But the vertex formula goes like this. The x-coordinate of the vertex is negative b over 2a. Am I familiar? Because that's the way we were graphing parabolas last chapter. Right? So negative b over 2a. So if I do that to this problem, negative b is going to be positive 8. 2a is going to be 2 times 2, which is 4. So the x-coordinate of my vertex is 2. The y-coordinate of my vertex is just going to be f of 2. F of x is the function, right? If I substitute x equals 2 in, I should get y out, so f of 2. So that's going to be 2 times 2 squared minus 8 times 2 plus 3, which is 8 minus 16 plus 3, which is negative 5. Okay. What that tells me is that h is equal to 2 and k is equal to negative 5, right? 2 of the 3 things I need in order to write the standard form of my parabola. Right. Finally, I need to know what a is. A is just the lead coefficient. Whatever's in front of x squared is what a is. So a is equal to 2. It's the same a we did here in this formula. Not 2a. Right. Magical. They're using the same letters to represent the same things. That's great stuff. So a is the number in front of x squared. H and k are the coordinates of the vertex. Formula for that. And then just substitute the number in for that. So we get all the numbers we need. So my standard form of this parabola, f of x equals a, which is 2, times x minus h. So again, it says x minus h, so I'm going to do x minus 2 squared plus k, means that k stays the same side, so minus 5. There's my standard form of my parabola. This one does not ask me to graph it, so I'm going to stop right there. If they did want me to graph it, I put a dot at 2, negative 5, so 2, negative 5, and then my axis symmetry would be x equals 2, and then I'd probably pick 1 and 0 or 3 and 4, find a point, use the axis symmetry to get another point, connect the dots. It would look very much like the last one, it'd just be positioned a little bit lower to begin with.